Greeting everyone. I am really glad to share with you my PowerPoint. After doing a research on a current issues in TESOL, I found 6 effective principles that I believe would help teachers who teach languages to students or teach language to students. The first principle is know your learners. Under this principle, teacher gain more information about their learners, such as teacher can collect information about their students' linguistic or educational background to determine correct replacement for the student. Teacher embrace and leverage the resource that learners bring to the classroom to enhance learning. The next principle is create conditions for language learning. Under this principle, teachers demonstrate expectation of success for all learners. And also teachers plan instruction to enhance and support students' motivation for language learning. The next principle is design high-quality lesson for language. Under this principle, teachers use comprehensible input to convey information to students. For example, comprehensible input of primary importance for progress in the target language. Also, teacher scaffold for comprehensible and teacher communicate clear instruction to carry out the learning task. The next principle or the fourth principle is adapt lesson delivery as needed. Under this principle, teachers check student comprehension frequently and adjust instruction according to learner response. For example, teachers need to evaluate what students know and what they do not know in real time. We do not want to wait until the end of the lesson of a unit to discover what our students have misunderstood a key concept or have incorrectly learned critical vocabulary. Also, under this principle, teachers adjust their talk, the task, or the materials according to learners' responses. For example, if teacher notice student confusion or misunderstanding during a lesson, they make adjustments so that all learners can meet the learning goals. The next principle is monitor and assess student language development. Under this principle, teacher monitors students' error. For example, by interacting frequently with our student, we can acquire a great deal of information about their progress. Some teachers record the result of their interaction. Also, teachers provide ongoing effective feedback strategically. The next principle is engage and collaborate within a community of practice. Under this principle, teachers collaborate with one another. Under this one, it says that exemplary teachers collaborate with others in the profession to provide the best possible support for their learners. They meet with colleagues to co-plan and share their expertise about second language acquisition as well as instructional techniques appropriate for students at different levels. Also, under this principle, teachers are fully engaged in their profession. And I think that's 10. Profession. Last principle. Thank you all.